Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your language to any language in your Samsung Galaxy A10 series, how you can change it from the settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to go to settings option, then swipe down. You can see there is a general management. Click on it and you can see at the top language. Click on it and you can just add here language. There are lots of language. You can just click it and it will show up here like Hindi, and I want to just click on Hindi and then apply it. And friends, you can see everything is written in Hindi, and if you want to change it in English, then lagu kare, here it is. Just click on it and friends, you can see it is in English right now. This is how you can change your language of your mobile phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.